How to review tags on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can review tags on your Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your Facebook app, then tap here on your profile in the top right corner, and then tap on your name to go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, you have to tap on these three dots, and now here tap on review posts and tags, and here you will see all of your review posts you're tagged in and review tags on your post. If you are not seeing this, then tap on this settings here and you have to turn this on, and also tap on this settings here and also turn this on. So if you want to hide, you can hide, and if you want to add to your profile, you can add to your profile. And I have tapped on add to my profile, and that post is added to my profile. So this is how you can review tags on your Facebook. Thanks for watching.